Hello and welcome to the Coffee Shop Innovation Show at ExCel in London. We've been here all today having a really good look around and catching up with the latest trends.
Yeah, Claire's just done her presentation. No room in the inn. It was completely chock-a-block. People sat in the aisles, and it took 2 hours to clear it. It was
with all the people asking.
Yeah, it's a really topical one. Really, a lot of people are interested in what they have to say about the reasons that we believe coffee shops fail. But we've been here today looking at sustainability because
we're going to be writing an article that's coming out in Boughton's Coffee House magazine very, very soon about how coffee shops can be more sustainable. And there's an awful lot of stands here today, and they're all saying how sustainable they are and what have you. But one of the questions you asked.
Yeah, well, because we're doing this research, one of the conversations I've had with everyone is around sustainability and how environmentally friendly is that product. And we've been targeting the stands with eco written all over them. But the question nobody could answer me today was what was the carbon footprint of their product. So whether it be a cup or it be a coffee machine or it be anything, any ingredients or packaging, nobody there on any one of these stands can tell me what the carbon footprint was of their product. So.
Yeah. But there's something that they're going to have to look at, because you guys are going to have to look at your coffee shops and look at your sustainability. So you need the suppliers to give you the right information and be transparent.
Yeah,
so
it's hard for you. It's almost impossible to make a decision based on sustainability if you don't know what the carbon footprint of the product is, because it's they talk about how many uses of a recyclable cup, a reusable cup will need before it is same as a disposable one. It's whether it's compostable, fully compostable, industrially compostable, or burnable, recyclable. But ultimately, until you know that carbon footprint, then you can't really make an honest judgment on things. So I think that's where it's going to go. But read our article, which will probably be at the end of November, early, maybe for Christmas, probably the Christmas issue on sustainability. And if you do get a chance to come down and see the Coffee Shop Expo, is on tomorrow as well. It'll be well worth a visit.